Hello everyone, this is MM Varis. I am presently posted as Director S&T at RDSO. Recently I found a useful hobby to record few knowledge sharing tutorials in my spare time to share my knowledge, especially which I gained during detailed study at RDSO for signaling systems and their reliability. My target audience is especially our field staff who are real implementer of policy instructions. So if they are better equipped with correct installation practice, the reliability of installation can improve on Indian Railways. I have chosen this YouTube platform so that videos can be shared easily, and whatever I record will be saved permanently and I can see all those videos at one place. Further, I can also review the contents of the videos on this platform. So this part of the video is for our design engineers who deal with the circuit design of station interlocking. Uh, Many of us must be aware that RDSO, in collaboration with IIT Kharagpur, has been developing an automated software tool which can generate interlocking control table or route control chart and interlocking circuit diagrams for a yard within few hours. The tool has been shared to all zonal railways last year, and RDSO has also conducted various seminars for hands-on training on the tool. A design team from every zonal railway has been nominated by Railway Board during PCST conference held in I think in November 2019 at IRISET. And this tool is under continual development and improvement based on the feedback of active users. My purpose of this video is to further percolate this tool so that more feedback can come. So the tool has been shared to zonal railways on this cloud. This is 10.255.216.67, and this can only be accessed from Railnet, and the username and password are given to the drawing office of your zonal railway. So I have just logged in, and we can see that under 5 number there is a folder automatic RCC and circuit generation tool. So here this tool has been uploaded, and it is being uploaded regularly. Now how to install the tool, the procedure has been given. In short, a video has been also been given in the in this server itself, and the latest version of the tool we keep on updating at this place. So whenever we have someone accesses, he will see the latest version of the tool. I have already downloaded this tool. After installation of the tool, we will go to VSS folder. There is a folder called VSS. We double click on it, and there we have a jar file, these executable files. Here we have to open layout editor. This we have to open, and we can see on the right hand side there is a library of yard elements. So I have kept one SIP for which I want to make automatic route control chart and the circuit diagrams with the help of this tool. So what I will do, I will pick up the element, see the placement in the SIP, and accordingly do the same thing here. So in my SIP, the first track is the calling on track. It is C1T. So this track is made. Next track is 1T1. Next track is 1T2. So I can just go on feeding these track circuits. Then on C1T I have three aspects. This is the main signal library. I have 3 aspect signal with calling on. So I will place it here. The signal number is S1, and the calling on number, that is also given, S1C1. Again, coming to the track, I can draw further. This track is 101, and the next track, here is a point zone, so I will make 101 B and here, and there is a point, so I will select point from here and draw between these tracks. The point number I have to enter, it is 101, and the crank handle number is 1. Whatever is given in my SIP, I am feeding all those things. Now to make this video short, I will what I will do, I will open already created yard. Means once it will take 1 or 2 hours to capture complete yard. I will just open existing yard to show further things. This is the yard already captured. It is basically the yard which has been given in the ARISET committee report of standardization drawing. So once as I showed to you, we can place all the elements of the yard, the signaling interlocking elements on the yard, and this will look like the current thing. Then I have to feed some details. What we can say, these will be printed on the footer of the route control chart or control table, which will be generated by the tool. After feeding here, we have to just go to generate routes. It will ask, do you want to generate route for distant also? I will check yes. What do you want to generate route having cup shape movement? Suppose my railway does not allow it, I will say no. Then in the top I have to fill the block working. Now I have selected all the routes, so if I don't want any specific signaling movement, then I can deselect that and that will not appear in the route control chart. So I have selected all and clicked on generate RCC. Now it is asking where to save, so it is in the same default folder where I have created that .sip. I will click OK. It is asking whether you want to include indirect locking column in the RCC. I will say yes. And now this RCC has been generated. We can open that folder. That folder is inside VSS input yards Venkatampalle. Now we can see this PDF rcc.pdf. This has been generated now. I will open it and I can show with zoom that it has been created just now, Sunday 9th August 1708, the present time. This is the time. So it has been just created and the full control table has been generated, and the format used here is the standard format which is approved by the railway board for standard drawings. Now further, after this RCC, the tool is asking for generation of logic generation. I have to click on yes, and it is asking what type of logical boolean expression will be there. So Ansaldo uses different set of format, MEDA is different, Kyosan has different. At this station I am planning with Kyosan EI, so I will select Kyosan. OK. Now the circuits are being generated in the background. These will take 2-3 minutes. We can see the circuit folder is newly created. Inside this, whatever are the circuit, DGE, flash, TGKE, EGR, all circuits are being computed by this tool automatically. And now these circuits which have been created, these are now also converted into drawing form in the equivalent circuit diagram of British ladder circuit. So that is also done automatically. So at the end of this command we will get both the Boolean logic as well as equivalent circuit diagrams. So all our drawing, those are the final requirements for the station logic. At present only around 20-30% circuits are only captured. We will do complete circuits, it will take some time. Okay, so now complete logic has been generated. I will just close the tool. I will save it. This circuit we can say, this Venkatampalle .ckt. This is the boolean logic. I have to open it with text editor, and here we can see the boolean logic has been generated for the Kyosan AI. The point circuit, point control circuits are there. So for this station, these has been generated. At the same time, a complete report of around 150 pages have been generated automatically, in which the complete RCC and the relay logic with boolean expression and equivalent circuit diagram for the station has been generated. I hope this short video is helpful for our design officials to use the tool and appreciate the work. This is a novel concept taken up by the Indian Railways. At this point, it is a matter of pride for us that we have published a paper in the International Journal of IEEE Transactions in May 2020. The concept has been realized after a long hard work of RDSO officials and IIT Kharagpur who are involved in this project. In the end, I would like to reiterate the purpose of this video. It is meant for fine-tuning the tool for automatic generation of interlocking circuits. At present, RCC generation is almost accurate, but for circuits, these are under development as per approved standard circuits. So our team is looking for the feedback. You may please provide your valuable feedback on the email ID given on the screen. Thank you very much.